principal na. Dear students, very good morning. This is a new topic. See the formula for this one, simple interest. So simple interest formula is P into N into R by 100. Simple interest is denoted by the symbol is I. So P is represented as principal and R is the rate of interest and N is the time. In years they have to calculate it. Okay, next one is amount equal to principal plus interest. So in this formula, so interest means that is a investment amount. Okay, so you have to calculate the value of amount equal to means principal plus interest. So total value, principal value plus we have to give the interest means you have to calculate the interest formula to find the value of amount. Okay, using this formula fully in this exercise 2.4. Let us see the first problem in this exercise. See the first problem in exercise 2.4. Find the simple interest on rupees 35,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. So in this problem, simple interest on 35,000 means that is a value of P. Principal amount is 35,000 and 9% is always represented as the rate of interest. Okay, in years means number of n time. Okay, n is equal to time in years, so n is 2 years. See the first problem solution. So what they have to ask in the problem, find the simple interest. So you have to find the simple interest. So simple interest is simply represented as SI. Okay, so this simple interest formula is PNR by 100. So P value is 35,000 and N value is the years 2 years and R is 9%. So you can apply all the value in the given formula. So 35,000 into 2 into 9 by 100, you can cancel 0 and you can remaining answer is 350 into 2 into 9, multiply and get the answer is rupees 6,300. So the simple interest value is rupees 6,300. Let us see the second problem in this exercise. Aravind borrowed a sum of rupees 8,000 from Akash at 7% per annum. Find the interest and amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. So what they have to given in the problem, Aravind is a boy, he has to borrow some amount of 8,000 from Akash. Interest 7% interest. So the total principal value is rupees 8,000. He borrow at the rate is 7%. So you can calculate the interest. So interest means you have to find the simple interest at in the number of year is 2 years. So n is equals to 2 you have to consider. Let us see the solution. See the second problem. So principal value is rupees 8,000 and n is 2 years and the rate of interest is 7%. So the simple interest SI is equals to PNR by 100. So P value is 8,000 into 2 into 7 by 100, 0 cancels. You have to get the value of simple interest is rupees 1,120. Okay, so you can find the total amount. So total amount equal to, you can add these two values, the simple interest value and then principal value. You can get the total amount of price is 9,120. Sheila has paid. Students see the third problem. Sheila has paid the simple interest on the certain sum of 4 years at 9.5% per annum is rupees 21,280. Find the sum. So in this problem they have to ask the explanation of this problem. So find the sum. Find the sum they have to ask means you have to find the principal value. Okay, you just note it down. Sum they have to ask in this problem. Find the sum they have to given means you have to find the principal value. So simple interest value they have to given. What amount? Rupees 21,280 they given. So and then years is number of years is 4 and the rate of interest is 9.5% given. Okay, you have to find the principal value. So let us see the solution. See the problem. So you have to find the principal. Y means here they have to ask find the sum. So you have to take principal value, you have to find. So I is equals to simple interest, I is equal to rupees 21,280 and number of years is 4 and N is R is equal to 9.5%. So simple interest formula is what? PNR by 100. So simple interest value, what amount they have to given? 21,280. So you have to write 21,280 into P value, you doesn't know. So you have to find P value. So as it is, write P into 4, n is 4 into 9.5 is r. So 9.5 by 100. Next I am going to be find p only, no. So multiply all numerator multiply numbers are come to this side is left hand side come to means that is divide, and divide 100 moves to that side is multiplication. So p is equals to 21,280 into 100 by 4 into 9.5. I am going to be change the decimal number of 9.5 into the whole number. So I am going to be multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So that I am going to cancel the numbers, the numerator and denominator. Here one 10 is there, no. I am going to be multiply and get the answer is 21,280 into 1000 by 4 into 95. I am going to be cancel, and at last I am getting the answer is 1064 into 1000 by 19. So in 19 I am going to be divide the number 1000. 10,64,000. I am getting the answer is 56,000. So the principal value overall amount is rupees 56,000. Basha borrowed rupees 8,500 from a bank at a particular rate of simple interest. So after 3 years he paid rupees 11,050 to sell his debit. So at what rate of interest he borrowed the money? So in this problem you have to find the rate, or you have to find. So Badsha is borrowed 8,500 rupees in a bank of particular rate of interest, simple interest. After 3 years he has to pay the debit amount is 11,050. So you have to find the rate of interest he borrowed the amount, you have to find. Okay, let us see the solution. See the problem number 4. The amount is what? He has to pay the so Badsha settled the amount of his bank is 11,050. So you have to take the amount. Okay, you have to take the overall amount equal to rupees 11,050. So A is equal to P plus I is the formula. You can use this formula to find the interest. Okay, so P is equal to rupees 8,500 and N is equal to 3 years, and R you have to find R equal to what? So 11,050 equal to 8,500 plus I. So I means what? I is a simple interest. So I is equals to, you can subtract the number 11,050 minus 8,500. So you doesn't know the value of simple interest. So I am going to be first to find the simple interest. Then only I am going to be use this formula. A is equal to P plus I. So 11,050 minus 8,500. I am getting the answer is rupees 2,550. So now I am going to be apply the formula of simple interest. In simple interest only I am going to be know the value of R. Okay, the formula only placed is R is there, so that I am going to be use a simple interest formula. So I is equal to PNR by 100. So I value is what? Simple interest value is 2,550 equal to P value is 8,500 into N value is R into R by 100. Okay, you can cancel and get the answer, and you have to know the value of R equal to 10%. So R is multiplication in the numerator of the portion. So you have to take over the division of 100, come to this side is multiplication, and numerator part fully come to this side is divide. Then only you have to know the value of R. So R equal to 10%.